Hello kids, welcome to your lesson tonight. We learned today the long A. Again, this sound is long A. Let's go to your vocabulary. A, train, train. A, snail, snail. We have here a tail, tail. A rain, rain. And we also have here a paint, paint. And for your speaking structure, you will say it's a. Again, what is it? You will say it's a. What is it? It's a paint. It's a paint. What is it? It's a snail. It's a snail. What is it? It's a train. It's a train. What is it? It's a tail. It's a tail. What is it? It's a rain. It's a rain. And that is the end of your lesson today. Bye kids.